Hello, Mr. Javier. You can see here it is angle iron wheels, double side. Firstly, we lay out the angle iron track on the floor and put the door on the track on both sides. Then here is a bracket to fix the real door on the ground and fix this side of the door on the wall. After this point, the 4 point is fixed on the floor and the wall. The real door is fixed, and we can see there is 3 cords. The black, the red and blue is for the power cord. It is for 220. That is neutral. And here it is to connect to ground. Here, this one is to connect to the ground. Hello, Mr. Javier. There are 3 important magnets for closed limit switch, open limit switch, and photo cell cancel function. Firstly, please locate this magnet parallel to the track and under this closed limit switch. We call this proximity switch for closing. We have a test, put it before the wall. When this proximity switch go through this magnet, detect the magnet, the door will stop. And we can have a test because there is a little inertia because the door stop, the motor stop, but door is still closing a little. So we can adjust this location. When this location is ideal and good, we can make a remark here, and drill the hole on the ground and put it inside the same surface on the floor. So this is to set closed limit switch. The second one is for this opening limit switch. When the door is closed or fully closed to this place, we need to set the opening magnet. We can have a test. If the door open to this magnet and this opening limit switch detect this magnet, the door stop and a little inertia to open. If this location is right, then we make a remark here, drill hole and put the second magnet to this hole and make the surface flush. This is to set the opening limit switch. Now, the third limit switch is to set 1.2 meter to the wall. If this is a wall, it is the 1.2 meter. We put the magnet here. When this proximity switch go through this, and the photo cell function is cancelled, so that the door can be closed to the wall without return. Thank you. This is a photo cell. It is its detect distance is about 30 centimeter. If somebody or obstruction interrupt within the 30 centimeter, the door will return and reverse. So if here is a wall, here is a wall, but within the 30 centimeter, when the photocell detect the wall, the door will return. So how we can cancel this photocell before closing? It is to adjust. It is to define by this magnet. When this magnet is set 1.2 meter in front of the wall, when this proximity switch go through, detect this magnet, the photocell function is cancelled, so that during the rest distance, the door can be closed completely. Thank you. Please be reminded that these screws can adjust the height of this proximity switch. Normally, this switch bottom should be 2 centimeter above the magnet. So we can adjust this screw to adjust the height 2 centimeter above this magnet. Thank you. This is a release clutch. Penetrate into the hole. Turn clockwise. You can see this one is out. This little pin out. It is released. We can pull the gate by hand. We anti-clockwise. Now it is inside. Now the gear is locked. Now it is locked. We can use a remote control to control the motor. Of course, if the power is off, power is failure, we can use this key to release. Now the door can be pulled by hand again. At last, when the door is finished and debugging very well, we can put this decoration cap inside. And this one to this one. Thank you.
装饰盖它是一个铁不锈钢凿出来的嘛。
Please be reminded that this decoration cover is very sharp. Please, when during the installation and debugging, please use the gloves to prevent this sharp edge cutting hand. Thank you.